How to buy Spotify Premium on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can buy Spotify Premium on your iPhone. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, you have an iPhone and then you open the Spotify app, you log into your account, but then you suddenly realize that you have the premium option from the bottom right, but there is no option to enter your payment method and then actually get the premium option. So you can see none of the buttons are clickable. That is because iPhones does not support in-app browsing and in-app payments, which means that you will not be able to get Spotify Premium from the Spotify app on iPhone. To do this process, you have to actually open the Safari browser and go to Spotify.com instead. This is the only way you can get premium on iPhone. So just go to Spotify.com, make sure to log into the free account on which you want to get the premium version, and once you've logged in, at the very top right hand side you can see the little gear icon. Make sure to just tap this gear icon here. Once you tap the gear icon, over here you'll find all those details, and right here you'll find the premium button. So make sure to tap on this premium option. As you tap the premium option, on the next page you can see some of the reasons as to why you might want to go premium. So you can select a plan if you want an individual plan for $3 a month, and dual plan for $4, and a family plan for $5 a month, depending upon what you want. You can just go ahead and select a plan that you like and then tap the get started option. Now, once you tap the get started option, on the next page it is going to ask you to simply enter your payment details. So if you have a PayPal account, you can simply log in with your PayPal account, or you can also choose to actually log in with your credit or debit card. Once you enter your credit or debit card, such as the card number, the expiration date, and the security code, you can tap the buy now button, and then your subscription will be successfully bought. Now, even after you buy the subscription and then you come to the Spotify application over here, you realize that the premium is not loading. For that, you just have to log out of your account once and log in back again, and that would most likely help you solve your problem. This way you can buy Spotify Premium on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, of course, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.